This is your sign to start your digital business as a stay at home mommy, and here's why. I used to feel trapped stretching one income, and I really wanted something that I could somehow help my overworked husband financially, but a way without me have to give up my stay-at-home mommy lifestyle. And I know it even sounds crazy to say it out loud, but that's when I discovered digital marketing, and digital marketing let resell digital products without you have to create them yourself, and you're making 100% profit. You can work from anywhere just 2 hours a day, and you learn and earn at the same time. You don't need any marketing background or fancy degrees, and you will learn how to automate your business so that you could focus more on family and what matters most in life. You also tap into a global audience, people who's already looking for ways to earn online. So if you are ready, my friend, ready to learn more about digital marketing, how you could still contribute, yeah, paying those bills without you have to give up your stay-at-home mommy lifestyle, put a word me in my comments, or you can just go to my bio and click the link.